Okay, so today we're gonna talk about strings and arrays. So, what is an array? Arrays are a collection of elements of the same type stored inside um, one location. Let's say. So here's an example of an array. Let's remove this first. Let's say array. Now let's say int. For to instantiate an array, you have to put this brackets and then the name of the array, which is, let's say, number or numbers, and let's put the numbers 1 2 3 4 5, right? And then we can access those numbers inside the array. So let's say console dot write line numbers, and then remember, this is an this starts with the count of 0. So the first one here is 0, second one is 1 2 3 and so on. So if we were to call 2, we would say 1. So let's try this. Console dot write line numbers 1, so it outputs 2 because that is the number 1 here. So 0 and then 1. Now we can also display all the elements easily by using a for each method. So let's say console.writeLine all the numbers inside the array are, and then we're gonna use a for each method. So for each say int numbers, actually number first, number in numbers, we're gonna put console.writeLine number. Now this should input all of the numbers. 2, this is the first console.writeLine, and then the second one, all of the numbers inside the array are 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now let's move on with the strings. Strings are The string class is what represents the sequence of characters. So let's let's combine these two. So let's say we have both a string and an int array. So let's say string names. Let's say the names would be. Am I inputting the wrong thing? There you go. The names would be Nico. Wait, you need to Nico, and then Dwayne, and then uh, Vince. Let's say those are the three names, and you're gonna also put their ages. So int ages. So let's say the ages will be 18, and then this guy is 35, and this guy is 195 years old. Okay. Now to call on these to call on these to call on these strings and integers, let's create a method. So for int I equals 0, so the starting point, and then I names dot length, and then I plus plus. Alright, now inside this we can put console dot right line names wait, it needs to be capital. Names um I, then plus uh Nico Nico is Nico is then my age, and then I again, and then plus years old. I think it works like that. Did I forget anything? Nope. This should be it. Names. Oh, I forgot to capitalize the names here. There you go. Oh wait, let's put proper spacing here. There you go. Nico is 18 years old, Dwayne is 35 years old, and Vince is 195 years old. So that's a good example of arrays and strings.